Welcome to the Hunting Bird series. I think it's part 6, I think so. So it's actually real bird hunting we're doing today. The consequences. So, last episode, I think it's part 5 actually. Last episode, I think this was last episode. We went across the street with Max, and it's pretty awesome. Yeah, that was last episode. All right. So we're gonna actually hunt birds today with our bows and arrows. We got our arrows. We got our bows.
Play Hunger Games.
Yeah, later we're gonna play bow Hunger Games.
When we saw a darn bird, we decided to shoot them, and Sam almost shoot me.
It was so close. Come on, you gotta do it. No, we're not gonna find any, William. Now that we started recording, we're cursed. We're cursed.
Not this time.
Wait, you left your arrows. Thank you. I'll take one of them.
Yeah, just keep them.
I might have to set the camera down if I'm going to shoot because it's very difficult to do with one hand. Come on. Just can you hold the camera for a bit?
Low battery.
Okay. So we have a low battery iPhone. I will try shoot a darn bird. Without leaf. I'll smash it if it's a leaf. It's a leaf. Leave a comment if you see any birds because I'm just waving the iPhone around. iPod. I have an iPhone. So hold. See, hold.
We're not doing Hunger Games.
Yeah, I know.
I only need to get into the
Yes, crap.
I'm stuck in these arrows up my jacket.
Don't look like fire.
Okay, so we're going to the camera.
Yeah. Here's our bows.
Do I look fat? Leave a comment if I look fat. Do I look fat? Post a comment if I look fat.
I did not kick him, guys.
He kicked me! He just kicked me!
Sorry, guys.
I hit an arrow! No! Oh, who are you?
We might actually throw bows and try get them. We're just trying to knock them out.
God, that's right out of your hand right now.
He's threatening to kill me.
Don't need to knock the iPod out of your hand.
Let's see.
I think should we use the camera then?
Let's see if there was any birds.
Ooh, berries.
Great. Let's just have a grizzly bear come and eat them.
So they're not going to eat?
What do you think? Sam's gonna try a poisonous thing, I think, or doubt. I wouldn't because they would taste nasty. Haven't been washed. So these are our bows.
Bow, hashtag bow. We're going to do Hunger Games, hopefully.
Here's where. Oh yeah, we're trying to throw these at birds like last year. Last season, right?
I think that was last.
It was last year.
I think he recorded. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Ooh, no more berries.
Don't eat them. Yeah, get out the garage.
I'm saving them for dinner.
So tell us if you see a bird or not because I'm just.
It moved. It moved.
Where?
Right out of my hand.
Where?
Right into that crack. Oh my god, this is a lot of blueberries.
Oh yeah. Guys, I got a hornet's nest and bird. Me and Sam got a bird's nest, and I got
We're collecting nests.
If if we we would do 5. It actually feels like shorter than that. So here's the trampoline we did. So hold on.
Get out there.
You won't. If I fall, this camera falls. Doing, 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 doing.
Trampoline.
I'm gonna jump.
I'll shoot you as you jump.
Yes. No, hunting birds.
Okay, ready?
Go, go, go.
Did I hit you?
You hit the ball. Oh my gosh, we should do that. Someone dress up like a chicken, then jump. Bird, chicken. Chickens are birds.
Well, yeah.
Another hole.
Birds are the scarlet Santa. Birds are.
Yaddy. Stop being smart, Alan. We are cursed, guys, because. Guys, hold on. I'm gonna toss Sam's iPhone in the air. And I bravely catch that. And 2 inches in the air. So.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye!